I hate New York City helicopters, especially NYPD helicopters. I hear them every day, multiple times a day, no matter where I am. And every time I hear them, I always think the same thing. My city keeps creating psychopaths and monsters. And if you are a certain kind of monster from a certain kind of neighborhood, they will hunt you down after giving birth to you. They will spend millions of dollars on this huge flying machine to find you, maybe even kill you. Then they will create you again and hunt you again. Only the city can stop the hunt.